Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, CS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by China.
Chipo Njayam, Silogo Sisong. I'm the only Kaizer Chiefs fan that makes sure it doesn't miss a Pirates game. Masiringe in effect, to all the Kaizer Chiefs fans, if you want to watch the good football, Hambo Bugani Paganiyam. Yabona ufuna ukubhekelela ibhola. Yabona ufuna ukubhekelela ibhola. Umuyalithanda ibhola. Umuyalithanda ibhola. So izondi Pirates. iPirates izokunikeza ukudla kwenhliziyo. iPirates ngisasho namanje. Ayi2 amateam adlala ifootball eGrand eSouth Africa. Isikhukhune, especially this season. Isikhukhune, iOrlando Pirates. iChiefs i-team yethu. But mawufuna ukubhekelela ibhola, hamba ubhekelela iBhakaniya. Okay. Asibuye singene gaming. I think Tina, especially us Kaizer Chiefs fans, we siyasashesha samjudge coach. Sambiza ngeplumber, sambiza ngecarpenter, sambiza ngento yonke. Mina mfethu, this guy he has proven every day, every game, every chance ayitholayo, and I think into indlela esimbize ngayo earlier sathi iplumber, I think imnikeze amandla ukuthi akhona ukuphusha ukuthatha le team ayibeke kule ndawo kuwe. Ama players angithanda ukuncoma ama individuals, but into engiyithanda ngePirates they play as a team. Kunento entsha engiyibonile namhlanje, uNduli edlala noMasindi, la combination kula midfielder lapha bakhona ukuoperate 6 and 8 boyi2 uNduli noMasindi, omunye maka overlapper esiyaphambili attacker, omunye uhleli. uMasindi indwana sekasi. Ama scouters ukuthatha indwana uMasindi number 15 Orlando Pirates uyithathe from eKasa eShawela, from the dusty streets of Orlando, kuma number 2 emagroundini uyithathe ko Freedom Park, uyibone eThembisa, uyibone idlalelo River Park, izitimela zamashangani yonke le yanto uzoyibona la Orlando Stadium. It means ukuthi iphupho liyaphila. Le ndwana ikunombatha lapha ya. Ama players owabona ukuthi athopa ku national team, kunabombule wonke ama midfielders akhona, but lentwana ikhonile ukuthi yathola opportunity, yadlala in 90 minutes, yashinisa clear. Orlando Pirates I think eyona team ezosinikeza ibhola leGrand this season. Kumnandi ukuyibhekelela. Yes, zikhona izinto nayo ekumele sazilungisa, like the likes of aboHoto. uHoto comfortable, but the problem ngoHoto awukhona ukumkhipha because of their position uyisebenzela. Now uNdaba ukhona ngaphandle. uNdaba need to work 10 times more because of uHoto siyamazi ukuthi ama capabilities wakhe angakanani, siyamazi ukuthi uyichinja kanjani igame, siyazi ukuthi wenza kanjani, but iPirates indlela edlala ngayo uyayibona le team ukuthi ine structure, uyayibona le team ukuthi ine relationship from the players. uMofokeng indlela adlala ngayo noMakgopa i different. Every now and again mabedlala boyi2 ubona different football, but uthola ukuthi yes kukho ama combination asafundwayo, whereby makadlala uMofokeng edlala noSibilibili edlala noApolice, ukhona lapha kanyamalale khona, but makunoMakgopa ushayina kakhulu. So zizinto ezincane, but uyayibona ukuthi iPirates is building a better team, and i-team yakhona siyayibona. Congratulations to them. Zikhona ke nento encananyana. La penalty was not a penalty. Anifuna ukungena kakhulu kodwa lapho the reason why I'm not saying it's not a penalty. Abo referee bethu I think kumele nabo no referee makano reviewer. uLinesman uyikholile le yabhola. Waphakamisa iflag. When uLinesman made a call, ureferee ucharger late, seka charger iplayer isingene boxini, then ibulela igame. So abo referee nabo somehow ziningi izinto ezenzekayo towards abo referees sizibonayo. I-calls zabo azikho grand zonke, but sizothini ke ibhola. But congratulations to Orlando Pirates, bahlezi besinika yonke into. Thank you bafethu.
Thank you China.